I'm so excited. I ended up just getting my foosball table and I can't wait to open this up. Let's take a look and see what comes in the kit. First off, everything looks like it's packaged so nicely. So these directions look very easy to follow. The pictures already are looking very nice. So let's get all of this out of the box. And right here, we're gonna have this very nice surface. Everything is packaged very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and we're gonna take a look and see what this thing's all about. I just set this up and it was actually pretty easy to do so. As you can see, whenever I unbox this, all of the components come packaged very nicely. There are a lot of components whenever you first open it up, but the directions are so easy to follow that it made it very easy and simple to assemble everything. But all of these parts look so nice, very high quality. I'm really happy with the way that it looks. I want to talk to you about the actual image of this. So I love the black legs. I think it looks really sleek. It looks really modern. We have a nice wood design. This is going to be a high density board that's gonna be very nice and very stable. I actually was playing a bunch of foosball games with my wife and we were having a blast. Now I haven't played foosball in a long time, so getting one of these was actually like a blast from the past and I totally forgot how fun it is to play this game. Now, let's go ahead and take a closer look. So the overall design of this foosball table just looks so nice, guys. You can see how big this really is. And one thing that I want to point out and mention right away is this actually has some really nice adjustable legs. You can see that I have all of the feet adjusted here, so you can actually get this level. And that is going to be very important when you're playing foosball because you want the ball to stay in the center. Now this is going to be the professional ball that does come with it. And as you can see, you roll it around. You basically just adjust the legs to try to get it to stay center and you're gonna be good to go. But a very nice ball. All of the guys are high quality. This is what they look like. You're gonna have the blue and the red version. So the directions will show you exactly how to set this up, guys. And check out these handles. Really, really nice handles. Very grippy. Fits my hand really nice. Goes all the way in, stops. When you pull it, it stops very nicely. So if you are being hard on it, you can see me being hard on it. Very stable, and you can get that flip. I know a lot of people like that flip, and let me try that with my other hand. Actually, I'd be playing like this, so whenever you want to get that shot, you can spin that very nicely and give it some good wax. Now check this out. It's really nice to play, really easy, and I'm trying to score a goal here against myself. But this game is so fun. Absolutely love it. Whenever the ball goes in here, rolls all the way down and it's actually sloped. So it comes down to the bottom. Does come with 3 balls. That's really nice. Real nice big cutout. So again, adult size hand. I can get my hand in here, grab a ball very easily. We're gonna have the official hole so you can throw it right in the middle. You know, if you're like my wife, you can throw it to the side and like act like you're trying to throw it straight. Anyway, have another hole on this side, and I also love how you have the score with the same color match. So team red over here goes all the way to a game of 10. Very easy to slide these over. They're actually tapered too, so you can grab them. But that is a very interesting part. Love the black accents going all the way throughout. Very durable and just a professional like surface here. High gloss. Got support on the bottom too. In case you're wondering, there is like a wooden support here, so it's going to keep that base nice and flat and sturdy. Here's a shot of the bottom. Nice braces. Very sturdy. Easy to put together, guys. Looks absolutely amazing. Tons of fun. I'm very happy with this. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a foosball table for your kids or yourself, your game room, your basement, your living room, whatever. This thing is so much fun and very affordable. I highly recommend this. Add this to your Amazon cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.